Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, a big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm making a sign for AY Signs. Now, I was asked if I'd like to do a bit of a collaboration, like a swap. They do me a t-shirt with my logo and I do them a wooden sign. So that's what I've done. But not only did they do me my t-shirt, they've also done me a mason jar with my logo on it, which I think is great. They've done me another mason jar that says Bike Life on it, and they also did me one with a silhouette of a motorcycle on it, but my grandson's claimed that one. Now, he's made a top for my wife before with a special message on it. You can get whatever you want, personalised mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to go and check them out on the Facebook page. So let's crack on and make this sign. For this project, I've got a pine board in place on the Algo Laser DIY kit. I've got my laptop set up, so now it's time to start laser engraving. Right, that's the laser engraving finished. I actually went over it 3 times with the laser engraver, so it's took quite some time. So next I'm going to get a nice coat of spray varnish, and then it'll be ready to be sent off. I'll let that dry, then I can get a second coat. So this is the AY Signs sign finished. I've also done a coaster to go with it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.